Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to filter your searches by floor in InMoScout Scout 24. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just press on go to search here, and after that you can just press on further criteria. I'm going to just reset these filters and you will be able to find the floor here, and you can just simply swipe to the left or to the right, and after that you can just press on show results, and now you will be able to find apartments with the floors that you have selected, basically with the floor range that you have selected. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.